APC is a forward-thinking party with the interest of the Nigerian people at heart.
APC to me is a departure from the norm. It represents uprightness, integrity, experience, and patriotism, and everything I need from a government.
I'm a Nigerian first. I am not from the north, south, east, or west. APC represents unity in purpose and progress.
Security, unity, focus, and determination. These are the words that come to mind when I think of APC. Positive change is needed in Nigeria, and APC is that change agent.
Let us unite for one Nigeria, a prosperous and upright Nigeria.
Come February 14, 2015,
Nigeria will be
Great again.
APC Change.